Here are ways to fix iPhone screen leaps going black. Fix 1. Restart your iPhone. Restarting your phone is the easiest way to fix the screen that keeps going black. For iPhone 8 or later, press then release the volume up button. After that, also press and release the volume down button. Lastly, long press the power button till the Apple logo shows. Fix 2. Clear storage space. To check the amount of storage remaining on your iPhone, navigate to Settings General iPhone Storage. If you have a lot of photos, videos, and other files saved on your phone, it can take up space that could have been used for more important files. This could cause a problem that may make your iPhone to have a black screen. To avoid this, try to free up some space by deleting some of the files you don't need anymore. Fix 3. Update iOS software. To check the current iOS software version of your phone, go to Settings General Software Update. If you have the latest update of the software, you will have a red icon on your phone that indicates it is up to date. If you don't have a red indicator, or if your phone is already up to date, updating should make your phone work again. Click Download and install if there is an update. Fix 4. Restore your iPhone to factory settings. Note: this method is akin to performing a computer restore and will erase everything on your phone, including contacts, music, photos, and everything else. 1. Plug your iPhone into your computer with the latest iTunes version installed, and launch iTunes. 2. Then force restart your phone to go to recovery mode. 3. A dialog box will pop up that enables you to restore or update your iPhone. Tap the restore icon to restore your iPhone. Fix 5. Check battery percentage. The iPhone has many functions that depend on the battery, and often when a problem happens in iPhones with a low battery percentage, this can lead to problems like this where it may go black. In this case, please charge your iPhone. If the battery is damaged, you can take the phone to a nearby Apple store to switch to a new battery. Fix 6. Fix iPhone keeps going black via iPhone repair. Step 1. Launch the program on the computer and connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Step 2. Choose iOS System Recovery, and tap the start icon to get your device into DFU mode. Step 3. Confirm all your iPhone's information, then download the firmware package. Then tap on the repair icon to download the program's firmware package and begin fixing the problem.